literally just need a corner, and in this 3 BHK of a house, I have no corners. I have this corner, but you can still hear the maid working in the kitchen. So technically, I have 0 corners in this house, but I still want to make a video, and I want to make it now. Is that too hard, universe? Please. Hello, hi, I am Emotional Fool, and thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. This is my video number 3, and I'm gonna be talking about 3 things that I use to make better decisions in life. These 3 tips have helped me make big decisions or small decisions or decisions about my career or my relationships and overall health, or even small list of things, which is like ordering food for myself. I'm not indecisive anymore thanks to these 3 solutions. So, yes, now that's what we're going to talk about. Number 1 is listen to your gut. Now, I know this is a cliche. I know this is a cliche. You might have heard this so many times you might have heard this from people who are way more qualified than I am to talk about this, but it's a personal experience, and I think that you should actually listen to your gut. If it feels exciting, if it feels light, if it feels scary but also good at the same time, it feels good for you, it feels good for your inner child, then I think that option is a no brainer. Like, it's simple. If it feels restricting, if it feels forceful, like अगर आप बार बार ट्राई किए जा रहे हो, करे जा रहे हो और सामने से ऑब्स्टिकल्स आए जा रहे हैं, then maybe the universe also doesn't want you to do it. So these are some signs that you keep getting, and I think you should just believe in the signs. I think you should just listen to your gut, listen to your intuition, trust it. I mean, listening is one thing, but trusting is another thing. And I kid you not, the gut check will actually surprise you once you start doing it, once you start listening to it, once you start understanding your intuition. Things will get so much easier. Number 2 is take the kid test. Now, I don't have a kid of myself yet, but what I do is I place someone in my place. I mean, I have a younger brother, so usually I just ask questions like, what if he was coming to me with this question and he wanted an advice on this? What decision would I ask him to take? And maybe this can work for you with your inner child. You can put your small younger self on that spot. It never works for me, but if you are connected with your younger self, then I'm sure this will work for you great. But when it's advising someone, we're usually much more kinder and usually much more wiser, because now we're talking from a place of compassion, from a place of a lot of wisdom. The second tip is for that you need to put someone in your place when it's taking you so much time, because this overthinking is just gonna kill you otherwise. Number 3 is focus on doing rather than thinking, rather than analyzing, because the longer your decisions sit inside your head, the worse they outcome. Decisions get heavier the longer they sit in your head. The best way to know something is right or wrong, try it. Because if you don't, for example, are not there yet, if you don't believe in your intuition or your gut or universe, then you believe in data, right? So the next time you are thinking and not doing it, you're just analyzing it, I think you should do it, because then your results will speak. For example, YouTube, right? I'm making this video, and because this is a part of my intuition, and I think that this is part of my purpose, and I really want to do it. It feels very exciting, even though I don't know a lot of the stuff that goes on behind being a successful YouTuber. I have no idea how to do it. I have been consuming so much content, but unless and until I actually did it, this is my 3rd video and I'm not stopping now. Unless and until I do it, I won't know if this is the right decision to make or not. Give yourself some time. It starts small. There's no hurry. There is no scene of ki I need to be the greatest when I start off. Nobody expects you to be the best when you're just starting off. I'm just recording this on my iPhone's front camera, वो भी because I don't want to look stupid. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी जो आपको पहले जब आप करोगे तब आप समझोगे. So number 3 is to do it instead of analyzing it, and instead of thinking it, instead of debating over it. Because let me tell you one thing, you will learn more in a week of just doing than a month of just debating. Sometimes clarity comes only when you move. So next time you're stuck, number 1, gut check, number 2, the kid test, and number 3 is do it. Try these out and see if they make a shift in your decision making power, and let's see how many good decisions you make after this. And hey, if it hits home, share it with a fellow emotional fool, and let me know in the comments below which tip you're gonna try first. All of these are super easy, and they really work. Janvi's trust. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.